Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we are going to study A Good Day, which is a poem written by Mary Fairchild. Lord, in the morning I start each day by taking a moment to bow and pray. I start with thanks and then give praise for all your kind and loving ways. I will travel where you lead. I will help my friend in need. Where you send me, I will go. With your help, I'll learn and grow. Today, if sunshine turns to rain, if a dark cloud brings some pain, I won't doubt or hide in a fear, for you, my God, are always near. We are going to study vocabulary. Read the words with their meanings. Number first word is bow, to bend the head or upper part of the body. Number second word is praise, to appreciate or express thanks. Number third word is learn, to gain knowledge. Number fourth word is doubt, not believing something. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are words with the same ending sounds. Read the pairs of rhyming words given below. Day, pray, pain, rain. Listening and speaking. We are going to start the dialogues. Read and practice the given dialogues. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine too. It's good to see you after so long. I'm also very happy to meet you. Hope to see you again. Sure, see you later. Phonics, silent letters. A letter in a word that is not pronounced is called a silent letter. The highlighted letters are the silent letter in the given words. Read the words given below. Notice the use of silent letters. School, here H is silent. Doubt, here B is silent. Sword, here W is silent. Kitchen, here T is silent. Not, here K is silent. Cardamom, here N is silent. Praise, here E is silent. Biscuit, here U is silent. Wrist, here W is silent. Hope, here E is silent. Reading. A digraph is a sound produced by combining two letters. A trigraph is a sound produced by joining three letters. The letters can be either vowels or constants or both. Silent letters. They do not carry any sound of their own. The letters in a blue are digraphs, in a green are trigraphs, and in the red are silent letters. Read and say the given words aloud to understand the use of digraphs, trigraphs, and silent letters. Digraphs. Thanks. Each. Rain. Here TH stands to trigraph. CH stands for digraphs. AI stand for digraphs. Trigraphs. Earning, morning, airy. EAR stand for trigraphs. ING stand for trigraphs. AIR stand for trigraphs. Silent letters. No, thumb, calm. K is a silent letter. B is a silent letter. L is a silent letter. Grammar. We are going to discuss countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns are words for things that we can count. They have singular and plurals form. For example, day, days, friend, friends. Uncountable nouns are words for things that we cannot count. They do not have plural forms. For example, rain, weather, pain. Read the text below. Look at the highlighted words. The words highlighted in the red are countable nouns, and the ones highlighted in the blue are uncountable nouns. Lord, in the morning I start each day by taking a moment to bow and pray. Here day and morning are countable nouns. Today, if sunshine turns to rain, if a dark cloud brings some pain, I won't doubt or hide in fear. Here fear, pain, rain, sunshine are uncountable nouns. Thanks, and this is the end of the topic.